This is a Dell Latitude D630. And we're going to do a RAM upgrade or installation. Alright, throw me a bone and hit that subscribe button. And if you subscribe, go ahead and leave a comment and that you subscribed. Say I subscribed. And I'll personally respond to your comments. Okay, I'd like to send a shout out to subscriber Del Fry and subscriber Tim. Keep them comments coming. Okay, first we're going to remove the battery in the back. This is the primary battery. You got to push these two tabs outward. Okay, I've also got a secondary battery up in the modular bay where your DVD-ROM would be. Right here on the side. Gotta remove that one too. This is a modular bay battery. I'll leave a link to this battery, or check out my videos. It'll show you where to find the battery if you want that battery. Okay, you gotta lay the display flat. All the way flat in the back there. Or wait, let's go to the back first. Let's do the RAM in the back. There's a RAM underneath here. There's one in the back here on the bottom. And there's one underneath the keyboard. It's a little harder to get to. This is the easy one here. Just one screw. Okay, so anyway, I already took the RAM out of this one, and I don't have a chip to put in there right now. It's in the other RAM slot. You're gonna pull these back. Your RAM chip will be sitting here. You're gonna pull these back here. These side tabs. You push them out, and the RAM will pop up. It'll pop up at you. Okay, let me just put this back. I'll show you underneath the keyboard. I guess I only got one RAM chip in here. I've been told this is a Dell Latitude D630. I've been told it can hold up to 8 gigs of RAM. But I only had 4 in there. But I had if you see my video from the one I made of the one at the thrift store, if I got it for $10, I stole some RAM out of this one and put it over there. That's what happened to that. Okay, we're going to remove this flap in the back here. Lay the display flat. And over here in the corner, you take a flat screwdriver. There's a little notch here. You're going to pull it up. This flange in the back here. Okay, all this is going to lift up back here, this flap back here. Got an old screw there. There's an old screw. Alright, just finesse it up real slow. Nice and easy. It'll pop out. You'll hear it clicking. Hear it clicks? Okay. And then come out of the end there last. On the left. Put that off to the side. Okay, you got 3 screws here holding the keyboard. Which I keep losing. Let me get a different screwdriver. Okay, let's start over here. Little Phillips. Okay, there's one in the middle here. I'm going to try and leave those in there when I lift the keyboard out. There's one over here. I got the wrong size screwdriver for this. Let's try and lift it out. Gotta take that one out of there. Okay, here we go. Okay, just lift it out nice and easy. And pull it forward towards the display a little bit. Okay, don't lift it off too high because there's a ribbon here attached. Okay, here's our RAM here sitting in here. And like I said, they got the, there's these little tabs on the ends. I try to get tight with this camera, this handheld camera here, so you can see what I'm doing. See these little tabs? You push them outward. Push it out. And push the other side out. It's going to pop up. The RAM will pop up at you. Here it goes. There it is. It'll pop up. See? Okay, now when you put your new RAM back in, that's the second RAM slot. Just make sure you got this little notch right here. And then make sure you seat it all the way in there so you don't see these gold ribbons on the bottom. Get it all the way seated in there. It's going to be tilted up about a 45-degree angle. See, it's on a little bit of an angle there. It's popped up. Okay, you make sure you seat it all the way in so you don't see those, you know, the gold on the bottom there. Push it in. Now push down. As soon as you push down, these side notches that we released, they'll pop on. They'll tighten on there. It'll lock in. That's it right there. Okay, now on the keyboard, on the front there's some notches here. We got to get them underneath here. So we're gonna do towards you first. See them notches on there? We got to bring them underneath there. Okay, that's got it. Push down back here. And that's it. Now we got to find the screws that go in there. Somewhere I saw a screw floating around over here. Here's one. I don't think I can get all the screws. I think I lost one. Like and subscribe. That's got it. There's one here floating right here. Be careful on the screws. I'm always losing mine. That middle one there. Let me know in the comments if you get yours up to 8 RAM. That'd be 2 gigs of 4 gigabytes each. And I don't think I have a screw for that last one. Oh, there's one laying here. I don't know if I can dig it out of there. It's between the keys here. And it's gone. I have to go in there and dig it out. Here's one. See if I can get that in there. Might get it. I need one of those magnetized screwdrivers. Here we are, right here. And pick up your. I showed the laptop screws on another video. You need to pick up some of those if you're going to go inside your laptop. And that way you don't lose them like I do. And you'll have extra. Okay, now we get our, I don't know what they call this thing. This back flap here, where the start button is. You're going to start on the left side. Okay, make sure you get it down on the left side first. Get these notches on the end, and then just finesse it. Just work along there, pushing it down. Just gonna you'll hear it snapping as you go along there. There's one. They're just to make popping noises. Just make sure you got it all the way tilted down the display. That's got it. All the way along there. And that should be it. She should start. If I did everything right. Oh, we got our batteries. Now I'll do the batteries. This is the modular bay battery. and the primary battery. It's only 2 gigabytes in there.